Let the number of members in group A be 3. So this group that's called A has 3 members, 3 elements. And the number of members in the union of A with B equals 10. In other words, if you were to add the number of members in A with the number of members in B, you should get 10. A, what are the possible value of the number of members or elements in group B? And B, if A intersect with B is empty, so if the intersection is empty, that means they're not overlapping. In other words, there's no intersection between the two groups. They don't have anything in common. What is the only possible value for the number of elements in B? So here's group A and here's group B. Notice they're disjoint. There's no overlap. They're totally separated. And remember they told us that the number of members in A are 3. And the number of members, if you were to put A and B together, would be 10. So notice you have 3 here, 7 here. That's a total of 10. If you were to add the number of members of group A with the number of members in group B. So right here they're disjoint. These two circles are not overlapping. But what if they were overlapping? So if they were overlapping, maybe one of these members is right here. Which means if this member is in the overlap, that means it belongs to A and also belongs to B. Notice the same amount of members in the union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's still 10. But in this case, since there's an overlap of one member from A also in group B, then group B can have 8 members. Or what if there were 2 members from A also in B? Then group B would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 members. And notice if you were to add all the members, it's still 10. Or what if all the members of A were in the overlap region? Then B would have 10 members, all of the members. So again, the union, that means you put the members of A and B together, it's still 10. But this time, all 10 are in B. 3 are in A. So what are the possible number of members in B? Well, we saw that there were 7, 8, 9, or 10. For the second question, what if the overlap was empty? Well, that was the first case we saw. The overlap empty means there's no overlap. There's no overlap. So the only number of members B can have are 7. But again, the sum is still 10.